When introducing a new topic, I tend to do a number of things. Scaffold the learning from prior learning, give students a reason to change what they know now to accommodate a new concept, or give students a question that they can't do as a vision of how I plan to steer the lesson. On Maths Whiteboard, I've created a number of tools to help you replicate these stages, so let's take a look. Selecting Maths Whiteboard from the home screen will bring up the core feature of the website. Down the left hand side you have a list of all the topics on the site and will see 3 buttons associated with each topic. Selecting Mini WB will bring up a full screen question to use with mini whiteboards. At the top you have the answer button and a choice of difficulties. Selecting one of the stars will generate a new question and allow you to subtly scaffold the learning by minimally changing a question with each new star. To help strengthen verbal reasoning, select the multiple choice button and ask students to explain why something is wrong. When students get stuck, select the teacher tool in the bottom right and it will open up an example pair for the chosen topic. This is simply a template that can be used in a number of ways, from a faded practice question to a silent example or even a live recording so that you can get students to narrate over it. Once done, it's important to practice the new learnt skill. Ideally we would move back to mini whiteboards, but you can also display questions on the board. Selecting the secure button brings up 6 questions. Selecting a question will interchange it with the answer, or selecting the plus button will then fill your screen with questions, and you can select the column header to reveal all answers in that column. In reality, you will have students working at multiple levels, so questions of varying difficulty might be needed. This is where the recall button on the main menu comes in. The questions will now increase in difficulty from left to right. Specific columns can be hidden or left up as a vision of where the maths will be steered in future lessons